What I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna get a kayak and go to the ocean right now.
That's 6:30 a.m. in South Florida. Beautiful day here, right?
I just got a kayak right here. We gotta go, eh? Right now. You put your back right here, okay? And another person goes there. Man, be honest, kayak goes so fast, and it's not hard to go. Seriously, like literally, you don't force too much, and they go like so fast, easy. Yep, like I'm going just one hand. It's really nice, really comfy, like. You can put your back right here, you feel comfortable. That kayak right here, that's for 2 people, all right? I'm feeling comfortable. That's enough for today, but I did a really good trip. I went all the way there, a little far, and I'm burning some calories right now. Keep my body skinny, yeah. You're gonna do some activities. Like water activities, burn calories, you know what I'm saying?
You gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never